Hello dear students, good morning everyone. Welcome to my session. Dear students, we are learning the lesson and discussing this lesson, what should you be eating? In the part of it, we discussed the two topics of this lesson in the previous video session. So dear students, we'll discuss the further topics of this lesson in this video. So the third topic of this lesson is fruits and vegetables. After the two topics, the next group of food items to appear on the food pyramid are fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables has innumerable benefits to human. It can decrease the chances of having a heart attack and stroke, possibly protect against some types of cancers, lower blood pressure, help you avoid the painful intestinal ailments called diverticulitis, and guard against cataract and macular degeneration. It is the major causes of vision loss amongst people over the age of 65. Potatoes do not belong to this category on the food pyramid. This is because of their effect on blood sugar is similar to that of grains and sweets. The next part of this lesson is fish, poultry and eggs. Fish is an important source of protein and is rich in omega fatty acids, which are known to prevent heart disease. Chicken and turkey are low in saturated fats when compared to red meat. Eggs do provide protein and are a good supplement to breakfast. Those suffering from diabetes or heart ailments should avoid the yolk of the egg and only consume the egg whites in omelets and baked products. So dear students, the next topic of this lesson is dairy products. For generations, we have believed that dairy products are good for growing bones as they contain calcium and vitamin D. Then, why are they placed near the narrow part of the food pyramid, suggesting limited intake? The primary reason for this is that the body needs more vitamin D than even 3 glasses of milk can provide. At the same time, 3 glasses of milk contain more calcium than is required for the human body. It is now understood that there are better sources of vitamin D for the body than taking milk and cheese, which may also be high in saturated fats. 2 servings of dairy a day should be sufficient. So dear students, the next part or topic of this lesson is red meats, processed meats and butter. Dear students, red meats and processed meats and butter meats should be consumed very sparingly. Red meats and processed meats like bacon and sausages contain high levels of sodium. They increase the risk of diabetes, heart diseases and colon cancer. Switching to fish, chicken, nuts and beans is a much healthier choice. Similarly, switching from butter to olive oil is also a healthier option. Dear students, by this you have got an idea of what should you be eating. Before we go to the last part of this lesson and discuss more, let me put few questions in front of you so that you will get an answer and an idea of what you learned from the above topics. Note down somewhere else, dear students. The first one, What are the two main factors that change your body weight? You can find answer in the very first topic, whole grains. Second question. What is the connection between whole grains and insulin? That even you can get in the first topic. Next question. How are the potatoes different from other vegetables? For this question, answer is found in the second or third topic. Next question. What do you know about omega-3? For this question, answer is found in the third topic. Dear students, next question. Why should dairy products be consumed in moderation? The answer for this question is found in the topic dairy products. Next question. Do you know of other sources of vitamin D than the ones listed here? Explain. You can get answer for this question in the two topics, dairy and red meats, processed meats and butter. By answering for these questions, let's go to the last topic of this lesson, is refined grains, sugary drinks, sweets and salt. Refined grains include white bread, rice and pasta. Potatoes too fall into this category of foods that should be eaten very sparingly. These items are high in sodium and increase the risk of heart diseases and result in weight gain. This is because refined grains and sugary drinks cause an accelerated increase in blood sugar levels. Whole grains like wheat and brown rice cause a more gradual increase in blood sugar. The body is better equipped to handle a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Foods that are rich in salt like potato chips, cheese and sauces contain high sodium levels that may lead to heart attack and stroke. When buying food, check the labels and choose the ones with the lowest sodium content. You'll notice that the healthy eating pyramid does not give specific advice about the number of cups or ounces of specific food items that one should have on a daily basis. That's because it's not meant to be a rigid roadmap, and the amounts can vary depending on your body size and physical activity. It's a simple, general and flexible guide to how you should eat when you eat. Okay, dear students, this is our lesson, and let me ask you two questions for the last topic. The questions are: what happens in the body when you consume sugar drinks? Next question: list foods that contain high amounts of sodium. Dear students, I request everyone to kindly answer for the following questions, which you can find from the text. Especially by understanding the text, you're supposed to write answers. So it clearly suggests you that it is not everything that you need to follow, but it is a simple guidelines or roadmap that you are to be choosing what to eat, what not to eat. Okay, dear students, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you. Bye.